Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to simulate key logging in Windows 11 using the AutoHotkey. Key logging basically is the practice of recording every key a user types on their keyboard without their knowledge. So I'm going to take you through the step-by-step approach to do that. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to simulate key login by using the AutoHotkey to capture every keystrokes, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration, okay? So you have to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any of the steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. I've already installed the AutoHotkey in the virtual machine. So I'm going to right click on the desktop, then I'll go to new, then I'll click on AutoHotkey script. So I'm going to name it key login. Okay, so now we are going to edit the script in the AutoHotkey by right clicking on it, and then we click on edit script. So I'm going to delete all this, then I'll copy the script on the desktop. Okay, so let me right click and then copy the script. Okay, then we go back to our virtual machine and then we paste the script here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the script at the description below so you can try it and leave your comment at the comment section. So let me explain quickly what the script does. Okay, it's going to create a fake login screen for you to enter your username and password. So the moment you enter username and password, it's going to capture your credentials. Okay, and also it's going to capture every keystrokes from the keyboard. Okay, so now we are going to save the script by clicking on the file and then we click on save. Then I close the Notepad. Okay, so now we are going to run the script to see the outcome. So let me double click on the key login, and then now you see it's asking us to enter our username and password because Windows is locked. So let me enter my username and password. Okay, then I'll enter the password, then I click on unlock. So I'll click on OK. So let me open Notepad, then I'll type this test. Okay, so let me close it without saving it. Okay, so don't save. So you see, immediately we double click on the key login, it has created a captured keys here for us. Okay, that has captured every keystrokes we entered from the keyboard. So let me double click and open it, and so you see it has captured my username I use in logging on to the virtual machine. So my username and password I use for the virtual machine, and also it has captured the test I typed. This tutorial is for ethical and educational use only. Okay, so it has captured everything and it's going to capture every keystrokes from the keyboard. Okay, so this is how to create a key login by using the AutoHotkeys. Please, if you find value in this tutorial, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.